Hello again, welcome back. We're going to look at outcome 5, 315, in some cases 615, and just to show you where we're at and the requirements for outcome 5. Okay. Now I've simply put this as a copy instead. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. Okay. And also, when you look at outcome 5, 315, you should see that you have done a lot of this work already. Okay. Outcome 6, let's look at that now. Now where we're here, outcome 6, 315, 615. And look at what it's asking you for, okay? Now again here, copy and reference from your previous work, okay? You've done a lot of this previously. Simply asking you to repeat what you've done in some cases, because it tends to repeat itself in some parts. And again here, I'm saying that you have done the work for outcome 6 already in a number of the units you have previously worked on. If you haven't done the work properly, then you will not have the evidence to complete your folder. And that will be a more shame on yourself than anything else. Okay? It will be a matter for you then to get the work done. There is no shortcuts to this, believe me when I tell you. And I've seen some funny things over the last few years. Okay, again, I'm just showing you here what you need to have done in respect of these units. Okay. Now outcome 7, again here, okay, all I'm going to do again is show you the heads. You've done a lot of this work already, okay, you can put the pieces in together, okay. Okay, now that brings us to the end of unit 315, and I'm just going to show you the signing off pieces that we need to complete in regard to 315. Okay, so just bear with me for a moment while I bring up the signing off pieces, okay, all together. 1 second. Bear with me for a second, sorry. Now, just coming over here now to show you the information, the signing off documentation that you should have. Now, remember that in regards to the IQA, Internal Quality Assurance, he's mainly making sure that you have met the standard set down by the college, as he or she may not be an electrical person, so they may not have the knowledge of the electrical assessor himself. But the electrical assessor will be making sure that you have met the criteria in regards of the specifications as set out by the lead body, which whoever that lead body may be. Okay? And here you have for Unit 315, it tells you here the planning, preparation, etc., and how you need to be signing these off. Now, it gives us guidance in the lecture. This electrical assessor will have guidance notes to assist him in completing these sign-off. So make sure you get your work signed off once you have done it, because if the electrical assessor goes away or retires or whatever, you will have no evidence and you'll have done all that work for nothing. Get your work signed off.